Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Beauty, and today we're going to see how to insert a row, extra row, or how to add rows in the table in your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a row in the table in your Microsoft Excel web on your computer, just going to show. So first of all, I just created a table with those like those. I just created a table with a four rows and three columns, but I just need more rows. For an example, just need a row from the 2 to 14. So you have a two option to expand the row or to add more rows. For an example, just click on any cell and you can just click on any cell and you can see option called insert. Click on this. Here you can see insert a cut cell or insert table row above. Click this, which create a table row. Or you can just extend the table by dragging. You can just extend the table row like this. These are the two ways that you can add the new rows on your table on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.